权力改变这场未知数，不管空闲还是忙碌，不可能和美死猪。他们觉得漫无自信。
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It is currently what time? I don't even know what I'm whispering. Like, I literally live alone. Like, breathe. It is currently 5:11 a.m. in the morning. I woke up at 4 a.m. so no worries, it was not a clickbait. I woke up at 4 a.m. just to get ready. I am the person I want to become so I might as well just doing that now. The way I dress and everything, I don't care if it is just going to college. I don't mind, you know, wearing my baggy stuff and everything, but I really want to have a more polished look. I always thought that streetwear in a way should be my style. I don't know, for some reason, but I am more gravitating towards something that is more chic, class, you know what I mean? And in certain occasions, if I can mix that up with a little bit more sexy, but like in some cases, if I go on a date or if I just want to show up for myself and going out, obviously just pretty simple. I definitely need to go shopping whenever I get the occasion. I'm gonna do it because something about me, I hate wearing jeans. I love pants. Definitely because I'm having a hard time having good fitted jeans. Even when they have a lot of elastane, for some reason, my body is very different than the shape that these jeans have. So I have to get them tailored, literally all of them. However, tailors here are very different from back home. Back home, it will be, I would say for like 3 jeans, I'll be spending less than 20 bucks. Here, I don't know. I am scared. I don't want to show up and then be like, okay, it'll be $200 to like fix your jeans. What? I might as well learning how to do it by myself, you know. Y'all gonna follow me along this little morning routine. Now I do have 2 assignments that are due today and I have an exam at 1 p.m. I have a friend who asked me if we can study together at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm saying that, but I literally woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning. If you want me to involve you in my time, you need to let me know 2 days in advance, not the night before, you know, because in my head I was waking up at 4 a.m. doing all my work and I had a lot of time to work MCAT, but now the MCAT is cut short because I have to go at school at like 8:30 a.m. She reserved a cubicle. We're gonna study together. Hopefully by 10:30 nobody has any more questions and we can just digress throughout the day so I can focus on doing the MCAT. But I'm saying that as a good thing. Like, I'm not complaining. She told me that yesterday at night while I was getting ready to go to bed and I was like, dang. Oh, okay, I guess we're gonna do that. I'm also doing my laundry, so don't mind the noise. Now we're gonna quickly make something to eat. It is already 6:08 a.m. Let's see what we can eat because I have no money to eat at school. This is what I'm having for breakfast. Nothing really aesthetic. Eggs, bread, and an apple. Very cheap ways to get a lot of fibers. I'm gonna be eating that and I'll see you guys later. Not gonna lie, I've been loving my hair. It's just the weather that pissed me off the most. If I had a car, it would have just made it so much easier. And the only reason why I'm able to wear it out like that, even though I know it won't really last like this, it will just shrink, eventually do a lot because I'm also going to the gym later. It has suddenly decided to be now cold again, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wear my hair out. That's why I need to wake up early so that I'm not rushing through my hair. I'm not rushing through, you know, my whole appearance, okay? Because I'm not gonna lie, to be true with you guys, to give you the key to this society, the way you present yourself is so important. You might not have anything figured out in your life. Your bank account can be negative like mine right now, but just the way you present yourself is going to change the perspective of people when it comes to you, and even the perspective of you in general. Like, I'm like, okay, my account is negative, you know, it happens, like life, but I need to know how to, you know, manage my money better. I mean, now it's not even managing my money, it's finding a way to make money. Okay, because managing it is not possible. I cannot manage $1,500 a month while my rent is like $1,100. I have phone bills, water, electricity bills. I need to find a way to make money. But anyway, when I'm walking, I'm like, you know, chilling, doing my own thing. You should see a professional gal, a girl you could trust in, you know, a girl every door is going to open to, you know. That's the thing. You know you're that girl, you know you're that man. Present yourself as such. You're gonna become that person eventually. It is pouring outside, pouring. Okay, I went all the way to the bioscience engineering building, yes, to get a bagel. I like rain when I'm home, not when I'm outside. Okay, I got a chocolate chip bagel with strawberry schmear, if it is the way we say that. Sorry guys, I was not really talking. My hair looks a lot, but exam is starting in like 40 minutes. I finally arrived at the building. It's pouring outside. I don't think you'll even get better. I don't know how I'm gonna get home. I don't know how to feel about that, honestly. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to call my friends if they can come and pick me up to drop me home. What pisses me off is that, yes, I'm gonna be able to get at the bus station. Okay, no problem, you know? Follow me there. Once we get to the bus station, the bus stop they drop me off at doesn't have any concrete. It's not a natural sidewalk. It's a bunch of like flowers, mud and everything. This morning, just getting into my bus, my shoes are dirty. I have a lot of mud when I'm walking, like it's disgusting. So imagine now that it has gotten even more wet. Worst case scenario, it's having the bus dropping me off a station further, so I have to walk all the way back up. Who wants to do that? Like, let's sit down and be realistic with ourselves. I don't want to do that. I don't know how to feel. It's so annoying how such non-inconvenience can be an inconvenience for certain people. Like the rain. For certain people, they just get onto their cars. They're just worrying about going to the parking and grabbing the cars, you know. Me, I'm like, dang, I don't know how. I might need help to get back home. Not to be like, oh, poor me or whatever, but it's just annoying. It's the type of thing I don't even want to have to think about, you know. I already have a lot on my plate right now. I have to study and everything, and just thinking about how to go back home, I'm like, dang it. Not that. By the way, I posted a picture on my Instagram. Now, something about me, I'm the queen of selfie. Say whatever you want to say, okay? But I never fail when it comes to selfie. Follow me on the gram if y'all want. I'm not really active at all. I'm putting all my energy on YouTube. I'm not able to sustain the other socials. Like, it's not possible on my hand. Oh, my hair was so beautiful in the morning, dude. Now it's chunky. This exam was, damn. I'm starting to feel like even the lab exams are more tedious than the actual lecture exam. Try my best not to feel discouraged. I can definitely tell that I have a little problem with Western blot in a way that I thought it was just finding the presence of a specific protein. So you have the antibodies binding onto it and reading the band at the right area. So looking at the latter brother, I don't even know. She basically just gave us whatever was a part of the cell she was talking about, like CD3, which are present into T cells. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm gonna be here finishing that apple just to feel full a little bit before heading to the gym. It took me about an hour to finish this exam. It is currently 2:18. Time passes so fast. So I'm gonna finish this apple and go to the gym and keep on doing whatever I'm good at, you know, studying, you know, lifing. Anyway, thank you so much for subscribing, by the way. God bless you. Bye bye.